this is water. I'm the one on mother simple. I'm made a young young, like you got a catching a nation.
Yeah, my brothers, my sisters, remember that I said that I will bring this old video. This video that we are watching right now is old video. This is the testimony where Miracle gave, where that woman where saw her for main load, where they talk say Zion Ministry claim that they have healed this girl, but this girl is still blind. I want make when I calm down, just watch this video. Nene video, video. When I judge here this case, Malana onwele mbe. Evangelist Ebuka Obi juwele kwuo si na he go this young girl. So when this young girl juwe kwuo si na Evangelist Ebuka Obi pele ona afuz ofuma. This girl never make that such statement. Only what this girl said that she can see small. So
like a chineke say, ihama me kwa kele kwa ya.
But he no kubana, danso. He no kubana, always because him one like him like always I have to him the mobile and she all the way from Ngamshi the way back.
And some always I am using my hand and do like in the jacka maybe how I'm telling you.
But are we need jacka get me before?
I know me like I know jacka maybe how I'm telling you. Me like me like I may meet you off, but now I'm doing it. A time I feel like I'm gas. Tomorrow now I wash it.
Hello, how come you can color? They have miracle. Yeah, the suit also. They have House of our mother to give you. Yago, Mamagemo.
Like you can just come down at all, like I had a boy. You can just come down.
For you. So maybe I can him out on Kubilalu.
Now the man is like I want to go because I gave me my house of organ.
I'll give me
social media and Gababiko.
Okay, Melia, because that day, that very day,
yes, I'm good here, but I home for them back. I got a many states whereby my auntie born but we don't see for that home, so we come back. But every minute, August the eye pool she gets. And mama had me like I cannot remember. Mom like mom just the minute I could wear now send me who now she gets so or the each other. Imanimi Chineke na allow you
when I go so
nobody that told me. This is water. Wait, let me drink water. This is water. I'm the one on mother simple. I'm made a young yes. This is water. You know, I will not muddy the ram simple. A shovel will call room. A shovel I'm Jimmy Shin, come near your room. That is me. I have drink it, see. Now, your mother simple, shake it. I got a mini church. Matokna doom, bonnet up in Patakot. I got Matokna do. I got TV Joshua. We don't see TV Joshua. Before you TV Joshua in Lagos. I Bantim Nalube, the way Bantim Nana Pomaga. All Kola Church or Momaya. You can on our side the gas line up or settle my case. We go there. We go every church. It's just all like how much I come say, Auntie. Kayako should do this church I know. It's like it's not proper. I have go many church. Sure you get like what's up? I am how many months I know there before Lota. So I have go every both Tokunadu, both TV Joshua but within she TV Joshua. And one here na TV Joshua church yeba. I gram dear, but I am holding yourself. I'm calling the woman to call crying. I'm lucky like Chukwubuke will be located. That is why I'm speechless because as I'm not that's my woman not chakwa there Kamila because I have crowd. I was like, you know, how we have as oh Tana this seraphic oil and our work because then there just onye nwaanyị nyere m ya sị m anwụ nwekwara ya ma na-ata ya ga n'anya m na-ekpe ekpere na-ekwubi okwu ike dị n'okwu ọnụ so ya sị m anwụ nwekwara ya na-ekwu this seraphic oil and seraphic water akịhụrụ two things ha na-arụ ọrụ shey like seraphic water a na-akwara dị m pụwa that me ewere ya ate kwubi okwu so it's not like no na m just mmadụ edi m
so miracle ndị mmadụ sọkwa na ọwụ arrange o.
It's not matter of arrange.
Asọkwa na ọwụ arrange na ọwụ ihe.
It's like you come and like if there are drums him. Hello to Ebuka Obi ngara. Hello to Ojede Master that's like na aka Chineke dimension like I want to wala mu ozu. Yes, is what I said. Abu him ngara de. When ki diram. Abu ge bere Johnson. Chukwu ebu Zion m ngara. Hello to Nji Master na tinagi lezi elele. Opu chaka m kora ge. So, I can't see the reason why I get just na no more dira go more so this. I like ejim seraphic oil lota. I wish I want them get with there. Ejim ya lota wori ya na ekpere like a woman na ekpeputa mmadu.
Okay, the EG seraphic oil from Zion Ministry,
yes.
And the seraphic oil with faith and belief. In ati ananya gina.
Yes.
So, man magandi se no arrange.
I have gone many church. Like Agachalam church in the church I made I'm not happy. Okay, when can I know this place? Praise Victoria Church. Agapalamia. Still no way. That is why I'm Jigadambura Gapa Lagos. Or when you come Lagos, or one more Bokumunema, then Nagaque Bobia Mamozo. Asking God, now can you move the city again? Give him the question.
Miracle, Mimi. I'm a tragofo, mgbe anyị matara gị ọfụ ị nakwa eji aka gị eme some kind things like mgbe anyị matara gị ọhụrụ ị na-asa nwa gị ahụ
yes ana m asa nwa m ahụ quite alright but like m na-eme ihe na that is why like m saa akwa na aga m asa pianist and which is my brother no
that time
yes that time but now m saa akwa na abịara m akwa mmiri m ga-asa Sunday na ka m ga-asa ya because I just soak it m just soak it n'ụtụtụ so ụtụtụ Sunday ka m sapụ ya. You get just so good, so Sunday comes up. Msapa akwa now, na chasha basa. Ndị mmadụ gasị ọmụ asara akwa nka.
Ndị neighbor gị.
Yes.
Onye neighbor nọ around that nwere ike eje jụta ajụjụ ọnụ because a sị na agwọ ofu onye hụrụ wee ke. Onye neighbor nọ around that nwere ike ịgbata ajụjụ ọnụ.
Precious agafeela.
Maka a sị na agwọ ofu onye hụrụ wee ke.
I'm precious because like I wanna hear my sister na kwa Igbo. I got kwa here because like precious I got feel because my I feel is my
him so because that day mbara isokwa ngwa asa na nwanne gị nwaanyị ahụ ahụ ụzọ nọ na ahụ ụzọ na obere karịa before
like I wanna na ahụ ụzọ shey get I wanna ahụ wala m ụzọ clear na wata but is hand of work like anamahu obere inyo ewe nke wi ewe ihe winyo were ihe na mmadụ anamahu inyo tana like mmadụ like otana nna ihe na ihe o nwere ike na mmewaghala ihe na enwe ike na-ewelie ya mepe anya mepe anya m ga mana ya but now m ga-emezi ihe niile mepe ya neat I can akwam shiri just share them just now.
But ugbu a na enwe ike gwa m kọlọ efe m.
I cannot like aga m ekwuli ya.
Enwe ike gwa m ihe mgbanaka kọlọ ya.
It's somehow black.
Somehow black. Somehow black. Chineke lekwa enwekwa onye m si kwuo enwekwa ihe dị ka arenji enwekwa onye m na-support Samdi ugbu a na awụghị m onye Zion Ministry awụ m onye Zion ihe m na-emewe ọrụ m ka m nọ n'ime ọrụ m ka m na-arụ.
That is what you supposed to. Otu anyị hụrụ Monday Emeka bịagoji okay Jerry anọ na show
chere bịa nso esi na kemgbe n'ushi Zion Ministry bata na miracle na ahụ like before anyị amata miracle ọnụ m na miracle na-enye ya eku nwa ya gaa ya
awọ eji m aka m ala na
You need to pay Kumala Gaya.
John, okay, those people will see it.
Madonna Abaga.
No madna
Sometimes
one no look out for sometimes over one small boy or na bomber.
So, you know, in the Gugua now 1 year working. It was can he get me?
The legal to us, and always doesn't get a tabu. Nana just when
I'm gonna go
Now, when I don't watch this video, I want to ask una question. Do you hear where this girl said that Ebuka Obi pray for her, and after Ebuka Obi pray for her, she starts saying, do you hear this girl say that thing? The answer is no. What this girl said that she dey see small. You get the other video where she said that she's having headache, but since Ebuka Obi pray for her, that headache disappear. But now she can see small. Now waiting, this lady said. Now I believe that all of you remember this lady now. She came to Zion Ministry, and when Evangelist Ebuka Obi called her out, asked her, what do you want me to do for you? She said that what I need is money. I need finance support. So the lady did not say that I want to see, but later, she was crying, saying that she want to see. So now, what I want to say, this thing that you are seeing online, that woman where video this young girl post them online, that woman want to use that thing to destroy the image of Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Zion Ministry, because what that woman is saying is that Evangelist Ebuka Obi claimed that they have healed this girl, but look at this girl is still blind. But such thing never happened. There is no a time where Evangelist Ebuka Obi said that he prayed for miracle and the miracle starts seeing. Such thing never happened. And this miracle where they see, she not give any testimony in Zion Ministry. No. What she said that Daddy Ebuka pray for her, and the headache where they disturb her stop. So there is no a time where this girl talks say, I can see. No. So this video why I blink now, na old video, for you people to see that woman will come online do this girl video is a liar. She want to just to destroy the image of Evangelist Ebuka Obi.